Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some new colors from Sundara Nails. Now these 4 colors here are releasing on Saturday, February 25th, and this 4 colors here that you're seeing are part of the Santa Fe Old Town collection, and this is Heather's collection, and it is part of the New Mexico collection. Now each year Heidi and Heather come out with a New Mexico collection, and they're super fun, and Heather's is this one right here, Santa Fe Old Town, and then Heidi's is Roswell Crash Site, which is a super fun theme as well. I'll go ahead and link a picture so you can see that collection as well. So these collections are going to be sold as a collection, either in the 4 that you see here, or you can get them individually. And then I know sometimes they sell both collections as a bundle together. And then each collection is also going to have this really cute cuticle oil in here. Sundara Nails collaborated with Glitzy Co. And these cuticle oils are just so fun. And the scent is Cactus Blossom and it smells amazing. And then we're also going to be using these new jelly tips in the shape arrow. Now check out these jelly tips. Aren't they fun? So it's definitely more pointier than your standard almond, and I really like that shape. So we are going to go ahead and do a gel method mani today, and we're going to be making a press-on set so we can play with all these beautiful colors. So if you saw the little picture on the icon of the video, you will know that we did use all 4 colors today, and all these colors are so pretty. They are definitely giving me all those New Mexico vibes, and they're very like earth tones. And this one right here, Aztec Jewelry, is like the perfect name for that gorgeous New Mexico jewelry that you see. It's just overall such a unique, beautiful collection, and Heidi's is so fun as well. I think that the theme for like the aliens and UFO thing is super fun, and they definitely hit this collection out of the park. So if you are not familiar with Sundara Nails, definitely head over to the Facebook group. There are so many different launches happening on Saturday. There are new pudding gels, there are new really awesome builder gels for St. Patty's Day. There are also some new spring color gels and nude color gels that are coming out, and some really fun gel top coats. So a lot of things happening on Saturday, and so many amazing items, and even these new tips that you see here. And also that little bag that you saw with the jelly tips in it, those are like the sample size bags. So if you're unsure if you're gonna like a length or a style nail, instead of committing to the big box, you can try these little packets first to see if it's gonna, if you're gonna like it or whatnot. So I think that's really awesome that Sundara Nails is offering that. Okay, so check out that beautiful pigment right there. Aren't these colors so pretty? I just love this collection so much. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
Alright, we're just wrapping up the mani, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super pretty, and I really love these colors together. All four of them are super pretty and unique, and they do go so well together. At first, I was like, oh, do I want to do all four together? But I'm so glad I did because it turned out really pretty. So I will go ahead and link everything that I used in today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget, these colors are releasing this Saturday, February 25th. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.